Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable IRA contributions through Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To enable IRA contributions through Charles Schwab, start by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on Open an account to create one. Next, navigate to the Accounts tab in the main menu. Select Individual Retirement Accounts from the drop-down options. Choose the type of IRA you want to contribute to, such as traditional or Roth IRA. Review the eligibility requirements for the type of IRA you selected. Click on the Contribute button associated with your chosen IRA. Enter the amount you wish to contribute. Select the source of the funds for your contribution. You can choose to fund your IRA from a linked bank account or from your Schwab brokerage account. If funding from a bank account, enter the necessary bank details. Review your contribution details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your contribution request. You will receive a confirmation message once your transaction is processed. Check your account balance to verify that the contribution has been successfully added. If you have any issues, reach out to Schwab's customer support for assistance. Keep track of your IRA contributions for tax purposes and future planning. Now you are set up to make regular contributions toward your retirement savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.